What is the process to reactivate an expired smart SIM?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we'll be walking you through the process of reactivating an expired smart SIM. This can be a common issue if you haven't used your smart SIM for a while, but no worries, it's possible to reactivate it and get back to your regular connectivity.
What does it mean for a smart SIM to expire?
A smart SIM card is considered expired if it hasn't been reloaded or used for calls, text, or data within a certain period of time, typically 120 days. When your smart SIM expires, it's deactivated and you won't be able to use any services. However, reactivation is often possible, depending on how long the SIM card has been inactive.
Can all expired smart SIMs be reactivated?
Not all expired smart SIMs can be reactivated. If your smart SIM has been expired for less than 6 months, you can follow the steps we're about to discuss. If it's been more than 6 months, you'll likely need to replace your SIM.
Steps to reactivate your expired smart SIM.
To reactivate your expired smart SIM, follow these steps. Step 1. Contact Smart Customer Service. You can do this by dialing *888 on your smart mobile phone, or 02-888-1111 on a landline. Step 2. Request to reactivate your expired smart SIM. You will need to provide details such as your mobile number and possibly some personal identification. Step 3. Follow the instructions given by the customer service representative. You may need to reload your SIM or perform some other actions. Please remember, it may take up to 24 hours for your smart SIM to be reactivated after the request is processed. And there you have it. Reactivating your expired smart SIM can be a breeze with these steps. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Smart's customer service team. They're there to help you. We hope this video has been helpful and thank you for tuning in.